Imagine a tool that not only just streamlines your business processes, but also boosts your network marketing potential. Hey, what's going on? Ryan Depaul here. And today I'm excited to show you guys the AI tool made for network marketers. Welcome to MyA.I, the game changer in the world of network marketing. Now, whether you're a seasoned marketer or you're new to the game, MyA.I is designed to catapult your success. In today's feature, we're going to dive into a how-to guide on one of our most impactful features, tailored for network marketing. Get ready to discover how MyA.I can revolutionize your approach and take your business to new heights.
In this video, I'm going to share with you how to comment on posts to attract more followers. So I'm going to go to social media here, and this is Facebook, and what we have is vision capabilities with AI. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this post, and you can screenshot any post that you like on any form of social media. So I screenshot that post, and I'm going to ask the AI to provide me with the perfect comment. So I'm going to come here to step 2, and all I need to do is drag and drop the screenshot of that post. I don't need to do anything else here to prompt it. This is just all optional. I'm just going to click on generate here. And I'm going to get the perfect comment for this post. Thoughtful, so that I can attract even more followers. And I'm just going to copy this to my clipboard. And I don't even have to read the entire post here, right? But I know that it is a really great comment. So I'm going to paste and hit enter. And now I have the perfect comments for any of my posts, no matter what social media platform I'm on. I just screenshot them and get the perfect comment. So that's how you can attract more followers with perfect comments.
And that's how you effortlessly use this fantastic feature of MyA.I to elevate your everyday experience. But remember, this is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more that MyA.I can do to make your life more smarter, easier, and more connected as well. Now, if you want to get your hands on MyA.I, what you can do is go ahead and click the link in the description below, or in the comments that's pinned, or if you want a special discount that I have the ability to give, go ahead and contact me through my socials. My number's in the description as well. You can text me or call me, or if you even just have some questions that you want to know more about this and see if this actually is real, feel free to do so, and I will be happy to answer that for you. So with that said, guys, hopefully you got some good value from this one and you actually like what you saw. Don't wait and get your hands on this amazing AI tool made for network marketers. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.